Welcome to our interview preparation series, and today's question is, what are your salary requirements? A thoughtful answer can help you negotiate a fair compensation package. What is the importance of this question? With the help of this question, the interviewer wants to verify that your salary expectations align with their budget constraints. Additionally, they want to evaluate your knowledge of the market value for the role you are applying for. Let us understand how to answer this question. First, research the typical salary range for your role and location. Websites like Glassdoor, Payscale, etc. can provide valuable insights. Second, consider your experience, skills, and any unique qualifications you bring to the table. This will help you determine where you fit within the salary range. Third, provide a salary range rather than a specific number. This shows flexibility and provides room for negotiation. And last, express your willingness to discuss and negotiate. Flexibility can demonstrate your openness to finding a mutually beneficial agreement. Do's. Research the standard salary range for the job role. Experienced candidates can share their expected salary. Always provide a salary range instead of a fixed figure. Be flexible and open for negotiation. Always go through the detailed job description before quoting salary expectations. Be confident. Don'ts. Don't undervalue yourself. Don't say, I am not sure. How much can you give? Never share salary requirement as fresher. Let's put it all together with an example. For experienced candidate, considering the industry standards and responsibilities for this position, I propose a salary range of 7 lakh to 8 lakh 50,000 per year. This range aligns with my experience in leading successful marketing campaigns and my capabilities in digital marketing strategies that contribute to brand development. I am also open to further discussion to determine a figure that works for both of us. For fresher, I am a fresher. Salary is not first priority for me. This is a big platform to start my career. I also want to improve my knowledge and skills and gain experience, so I expect a considerable salary according to my ability and industrial norms which will fulfill my economical needs. And that's it. Remember, do your research, consider your experience and skills, provide a range and be flexible. Practicing your response will help you deliver it confidently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe and comment below with your own tips or questions. Thank you.